Welcome to this week's vlog. Today I don't really have that much to do, but I want to try and get my raccoon and bunny dolls done, so I have some things to put up in my shop, and I kind of wanted to add some, like a sticker set for the bunny. So I've got my iPad on charge at the moment, so I need that to finish charging because it is dead flat. That's pretty much all I'm going to do today. I might work on my Kurama doll. I still need to do the feet and the hands, and also bake him. So don't know how much. I need to get some more Sculpey, so I'll probably get it this week sometime. And that's pretty much it that I'm going to get done today. So stay tuned. Today's Friday. I'm gonna get a few things done today. I have the whole day to do things. So I'm gonna work on my bonnet. I decided to put a horn on it because I wanted to make a unicorn bunny. So there it is. I sculpted that out of epoxy and just put it on there with it. So epoxy sculpt. And yeah, just put it on there. So I'm gonna put the doll together today. So I have the body all done, and the armature ready to go. So all I need to do is attach it and then let it cure. And then also gonna do the same thing for my raccoon doll. So hopefully you can get a big chunk of that done today. I would like to mold my Oni mask, but we'll see how I go with this and if I have enough time. So it's not too cold today. It's actually quite sunny, but it's still cold. So we'll see if I have time to do that. I did paint a watercolor yesterday, a new Galaxy one. I don't know how into it I am though, but I think it's the colors that I chose I wasn't really feeling it. But anyway, I will put it in a collection release in the future. So I have 3 so far. So here's the Galaxy one. And as always, my patrons will have first choice over anything that goes up in my shop, so they will have first preference over all of the pictures, but I'll show everyone first. So yeah, I wanted to do like a mountainy scape with like a snowy one, rather than the usual black ones that I do. So the good thing about this textured paper is you can have sort of a dry brush, and it gives the you can just sort of sweep it across and it gives the effect, because it only picks up the high spots of the paper, which is really convenient. So another reason why I like working with rough textured paper, especially handmade paper. So yeah, anyway, I think I will get on with the day and see what I can get done. Here, but a little update before I go. So I managed to get a bit of work done on my rabbit or bunny and my raccoon doll. So I'll show you what I did. I managed to put all the fur on the bunny and attach some ears. So I'm just waiting for some things to dry before I can move on. So I'll probably end up finish this maybe next week, which will be this week when you see the vlog. And I still have to trim it and have the feet to do and stuff, so there's still a little bit of work left. But yeah, turning out super cute. I thought I'd add a bit of white underneath the chin just to break it up a little bit so it's not too colourful, and when I trim it it'll be the purple colour underneath, so it's not going to be all rainbow. So yeah, that's what I've done with the bunny. And then the raccoon, I'm still sewing him up, but he's almost ready to go. So hopefully I can make him look like a pretty realistic looking raccoon. Gotta sew the tail on, and obviously add fur to the face. So I'm halfway done sewing him up, and I hate sewing, so I'm trying to get it done as quickly as possible. And then with my Oni mask, I did manage to make a mold box, so that should be right to start molding maybe next week. So I wanted, because I use hot glue when I do the mold box, I wanted to make sure that it is solid before I go adding any silicone, because when you add a bit of silicone to a mold box, you want to make sure it's strong, otherwise it can end up splitting. It's happened to me before, but luckily I could save it, so I didn't lose anything. But yeah, I was sort of hanging around at that time, and yeah, I saw it starting to split, so I had to stand there and hold it and tape it up until it was set. But yeah, so that should be ready to go next week. So that's pretty much it. I didn't get any work done on the Kurama doll, just because I wanted to get these two dolls ready to go before anything else. But I didn't finish them. I thought I would have more work done, but it takes longer than you think. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you a little sketch I did. I was mapping out some bunny sketches that I was thinking of doing. I wanted to make them into stickers, which I was gonna do on my Procreate on my iPad, but I don't know, it's a little bit too cutesy. There's something about them that I don't really like. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that or not. And then I just thought of another perk for one of my Patreon tiers. I was going to do printables, so free printable, maybe like every month or something. So that I was thinking for my $10 and above tier, they could get a printable, a free printable. So I have one ready to release, which I'm not sure what day to do that or not. I'm really not sure. So I'm sure I'll work it out. But anyway, if you want to go and head to my Patreon, you can check out all of the tiers that I have, and would love to have you support me, but don't feel obligated, obviously. Yeah, you can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and you can head to my shop. I just put a new doll up this morning, a Celex doll, so you can head over there at creaturesofnat.com to see if it's still around, and have a sticky beak. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!